everyone, Zoe here. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro are officially here. Someone are torn on which one to get, but in LOPO we have prepared Sublimation phone cases for you. As you know, the first Sublimation blank LOPO produced its phone case, and we have been developing phone cases for many years, like Flex TPU, PC, tempered, and leather case. Let me show you more details. If you want to customize phone case, for example, the PC case or TPU and more, welcome to contact us or visit our website. I'm Zoe from LOPO. See you next time.